let anyone to tell you you are beautiful without makeup, okay? You are beautiful with makeup, without makeup. You are beautiful because you are you, okay? Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I have this very easy, simple, summery makeup look. This gives me all the vibes. I wanted to create something very simple, very easy, effortless. Is not effortless, obviously. We did put some effort to get here, but you know, effortless. Let's call it effortless because it looks very simple, very airy, very summery. Like this gives me all the vibes. I will totally go out right now. But my boyfriend is at work and I don't have anyone to call to go out to have some drinks maybe, or maybe just an ice cream. Anyway, so yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, I used the Focallure highlight and the Carli Bybel. I just used 2 eyeshadows from this palette and then I added the highlight on top, and oh my god, the sparkle is not even real. I mean, yeah, it is, but it looks so sparkly. I did use again the Louise eyeshadow, and yeah, I don't know, I have to play more with this one. But anyway, I feel like this intro is already way too long. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to start with this Becca First Light priming filter. I have this for a while now and I feel like it's a little bit expired, but it's okay, I have a little bit left, so I'm going to use it today. Too much. I'm going to take off my earrings because I'm going to get foundation on them and we don't want that. Next, I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild foundation. This is the dewy one, and I'm sorry guys, I know I've been using this a lot lately, but what can I do? I love it. It's so good and it looks amazing on my skin. I promise you, in my next video I'm going to use a different foundation, okay? But today I'm going to use this one. I can't help myself. Also, it smells so good. Yeah. For concealer, I'm going to use the Nabla Cover Up Concealer, Close Up Concealer. I don't really like the coverage, but it's so lightweight. Also, it smells good. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes with the Beauty Bakerie Flour Powder, just my under eyes. Next, I'm going to go with the Muru Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Sunkissed Bronzer and it's a little bit too dark for me right now, but it's okay. I guess I'm gonna make it work. I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to blend this a little bit more. Next, I'm going to go with the Sunkissed Monochromatic Blush Duo from Focallure, and I'm going to use the matte shade just a little bit because this is crazy pigmented. You see? Like it's crazy. Okay, that's enough. And on top of that, I'm going to go with the Milani Luminoso Baked Blush, just a little bit to give myself a little bit of luminosity. Wow, that's way too much blush for me. It's never too much blush, right? And for highlight, I'm going to go with the Focallure Diamond Glow in the shade Starlight. This is crazy gorgeous. I'm going to go with my finger. And just like that, I just finished doing my face makeup. It took me less than 20 minutes. I'm not even joking. Next, I'm going to do the eyes. You don't have to do this step. You can totally use concealer as a eyeshadow base, but I'm going to use again the Louise base because I want to try it more. You know, I want to try it more, and I'm going to use it today, but you don't have to. You can totally use the concealer. And I don't know why I'm using my finger. On my eyes, I'm going to go with the Carli, Bybel and Anastasia palette. I really want to use the Mandala shade. This one right here is absolutely gorgeous, and I think I'm going to use one of these two shades in my crease to give it a little bit of definition. So I don't know which one. I'm going to go with Chai. That's a lot. That blends so beautiful. Wow. Okay, this shade blends incredibly fast and easy. Next I'm going to go with Mandala, and I'm not gonna wet my brush. I hope I don't get this on my face, because you know, shimmery shades are a little bit messy, and I should probably use my finger because that's more safe. So I should probably use my finger, but because I have this long ass nails, I can't do that. I can't do that. Help. Okay, let's try the brush. And again, a camera. Ooh, hello. Okay, thank you. Okay, a little crease in there. I'm going to try to use my finger. And this color is more like a topper, it's not like a very pigmented shimmery shade. On top of that, I'm going to go with the Focallure Diamond Glow Starlight highlight. I'm telling you, I can't do shit with these nails. So I think I'm going to use again, let's try it with a brush. Okay. Wow, you can totally see that on camera. I'm going to try with my finger to see how it works. Wow. Yes, sparkle. Okay, I am loving this. I'm going again with this brush to blend a little bit this out. Under my eyes, I'm going to go with the Chai shade, just a little bit. And I think we are done. I mean, I'm going to apply some lashes. If you have beautiful, gorgeous, long, fluffy lashes, you don't need falsies. But because, you know, I have like 3 lashes, I can't play myself like that, you know. I need some fluffy, gorgeous lashes to make this thing look cute, you know. I'm just sassy, a little bit sassy. So again, I'm going with Chai. So I'm going to take a little bit of Cindy, the same brush. And to highlight the brow bone, I'm going to use again this highlight. This is such a beautiful highlight. They have like 2 more shades, and I think I'm going to purchase them. Wow. Oh, now it's lifting my concealer, foundation, whatever I have there. You're not supposed to do that. Next, I'm going to do a very thin wing liner because I'm going to apply lashes and I don't want to see the lash band. Alright, this is the vibe we want. This is hella good energy. This is more like when they tell you, oh, you look way much better without makeup, but you still look cute with makeup on. I hate those persons. Anyway, they kind of look the same, but they are not the same, trust me. I'm going to go with some falsies on top. You can totally skip wing liners, you can totally skip falsies. I'm telling you, this is not the energy we want. Don't let anyone to tell you you are beautiful without makeup, okay? You are beautiful with makeup, without makeup. You are beautiful because you are you, okay? So, this is not the energy we want, not today, not tomorrow, and not any day. Oh, let me see if I can fix this. This is just lash glue. I have a little bit of lip gloss on. I'm going to remove it because I'm going to line my hella overline my lips. And if I have something on my lips, the lip pencil won't work. Then I'm going to go with one of these lipsticks from Focallure. I haven't tried them yet. Bad energy. Please be smarter than me and sharpen your pencil because you're gonna end up like me, looking like this. Now I have to take a little bit of foundation and clean those edges because alright my friends, how about now? I fixed my lips. They are not perfect, but they are a lot better. And also I fixed the eye. You can even tell that I had some black lash glue in there. Okay, next I'm going to go with this lipstick. As I said, I feel like the pink one works. Smells nice. Alrighty, so this is the makeup look. Very easy, very simple. Oh my god, my hair is not cooperating today at all. I can't tame these little pieces. Like, I try to hide them with a scarf. They don't want to stay in there. Also, never mind. I feel like I applied a little bit too much blush, but it's okay. There's never too much blush. There's no such thing. No. Besides that, the blush fades away faster than the rest of the makeup. So I feel like in a few hours, I won't see that on my face. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I will see you in my next one. Peace. Please stay safe, okay? Wear the mask.